How to use the Google Map on your phone. So every Android, iPhone or any phone has Google Map on it. But in case you don't have it, you can simply go on the Google Play Store, search and update the Google Map to its latest version so that you won't miss out any new features on it. So the very basic thing to use it is, on the upper section you can see restaurants, hotels, shopping and many options here. So if you want to choose any one of this, then you can just click on it and you can see the available hotels, restaurants, shoppings near you or out of you. But if you want to head somewhere and you want to see the location, then how can you do it? For that, what you should do is click on the arrow button. After clicking on the arrow button, if you have your location on your phone, then your location will be seen and you can choose the destination. For destination, I choose to continue to Ratna Park. After doing, it shows me that by walking it will take me 2 hours 13 minutes to go there. By car it will take me 30 minutes to get there. And now if I want to go there, then you can just click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, you will see the way to your current location to Ratna Park. And if you have your Wi-Fi or data on your phone, then you can just head to the location and the arrow will help you
head northeast toward Mid-Hill Highway, Prithvi Highway.
And yes, this voice will also help you to give you the correct destination to the location you want to reach out. So this is how you normally use Google Map. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel.